So Google have outdone themselves again when it comes to smartphone leaks, and we now know everything there is to know about both their devices way ahead of launch. There's no doubt for me now that Google must be behind all the leaks themselves. We thought it was bad with the predecessor, but this time round we have confirmation of launch dates and specs, along with hands-on videos of the device in every colour option. Google have already began sending out invites for an event on the 15th of October, so this is no doubt going to be the launch of the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. The event's going to be held in New York at 10 AM Eastern Time, but the venue is still unknown. It will of course be streamed on YouTube for those who want to watch it from home. While many believed that the orange coral colour option could be fake, it was confirmed by Google a couple of days ago when an advert appeared in Times Square showing us the coral Pixel 4 along with the launch date of the 15th of October. We previously had two hands-on videos of the device crop up online from some Vietnamese channels, and this included some camera samples as well. The camera samples provided definitely show some good improvement over the predecessor, and especially when using the night mode. It's no real surprise given that this is the first time they're using multiple cameras on the rear of the phone. The second video showed us some more features and actually using the display. A feature that will make many happy is the smooth display feature, which allows the user to switch between 60 or 90 Hz refresh rates. The video also showed us the camera app, although it's clearly an early ROM as it's having some issues and appears to be unfinished. We also get a look at CPU-Z, which shows a 6.23-inch screen with a resolution of 3040 by 1440 and confirms the Snapdragon 855 with 6GB RAM. A promotional video was also leaked, and while low in quality, it shows us features such as gesture control, astrophotography mode, and an improved night mode on the Pixel 4. For those who want to know the full details, we get two models, of course, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. The Pixel 4 is the smaller of the two, and it's going to come with a 5.7-inch OLED display with an HD Plus resolution of 2280 by 1080, and this will of course be a 90Hz panel protected by Gorilla Glass 6. It's going to be using the Snapdragon 855 system on chip with the option of 64 or 128GB storage. For the first time, we get dual cameras on the rear. We get a 12 megapixel main sensor with phase detect autofocus and a 16 megapixel telephoto lens. Considering the Pixels have always taken impressive images using a single lens, it's going to be interesting to see just how well the performance is with two. The phone's going to be powered by a 2800 mAh battery, which is actually a little less than the 2915 found in its predecessor, and it's going to continue to use the Titan M security module, and of course the phone will come with Android Q. Next we've got the Pixel 4 XL, and of course the Pixel 4 XL has a larger 6.23-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3040 by 1440. Again, we get a 90Hz refresh rate protected by Gorilla Glass 6. It's powered by the Snapdragon 855 and has the same storage options as its smaller counterpart, but it will however contain a much larger 3700 mAh battery, which is actually bigger than the predecessor's 3430. Again, it's going to come with Android Q out of the box. Both models are going to support hands-free gesture and 3D face unlock, and the phone is of course launching on the 15th of October with the release shortly afterwards. When it comes to pricing, this is the only thing that hasn't been leaked yet, but the Pixel 3 launched at $799 or £739, and the 3XL was $899 or £869, so we can expect the 4 to be the same, if not a little bit higher. There's pretty much no more information to share with you guys now, so I won't be covering the Pixel 4 until mine arrives in the mail, but as always, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of the Pixel 4s? Who out there is waiting to purchase one, and which model are you going to go for? But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.